What is climate change?
Climate change means the Earth is getting hotter and the weather is changing.
Why is climate change bad?
Because it causes floods, heat waves, and problems for people and animals.
What makes climate change happen?
Smoke from cars and factories and cutting trees are big reasons.
How does it affect us?
We feel hotter summers, more rain, and less clean water or food.
What are greenhouse gases?
These are gases that trap heat, like carbon dioxide from cars.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can plant trees, use less electricity, and keep our Earth clean.
What is global warming?
Global warming means the Earth is slowly getting hotter.
Why should students learn about it?
Because they can help make a better future.
How does this help in learning English?
You learn new words, speak better, and understand world problems.
Thank you for listening. Write in the comments, what will you do to help the Earth?
Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Ways and learn English